Hi, hello students. Welcome to SPR EduTech. This is me, SPR. Today I'm gonna discuss about a palliative care which is recently in the Hindu News Editorial. So guys, this is a new initiative mainly concentrating on the mains perspective. So here I'm not gonna explain this article indirect, but I'm gonna provide this article in the mains perspective, which means if so any question asked in the topic so called palliative care, so it is about the palliative care. So here if it is asked based on the palliative care, so what is it, how the question could be asked, how you could answer the question. So let me take you to the mains perspective of learning. So here explain the significance of palliative care in the present day health scenarios of the world and India with special focus on state of Kerala. So this is the question, if so it could be asked. The answer should start with an introduction and the body, and it should end with the conclusion. That is what I'm providing in a effective manner. So kindly guys, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe with your friends. This channel will be concentrating mainly on your UPSC prospective learning. So here palliative care means what? It is a specialized medical care provided to the individuals with serious illness. So someone is going to die. So they are to the end of life. They are suffering from enormous amount of pain. So here they need a specialized care, which means not only as a medicine, but he also need some moral care. So here to relieve the suffering and improve the quality of life. So to show them how beautiful the life is, to make them life more beautiful. So here that is what it is being made. So it this care focus on providing the relief from pain. So it will be really providing a relief from the pain, symptoms, stress, irrespective of stage of illness. Whatever the stage you stay, here it will be providing a relief from all the abilities. So here you can see Kerala is a special state in India which is focusing forefront in the palliative care movement. And also here you can see palliative care means you would understand now, not just giving medicine and leaving, and you are providing extra care towards the person and making them happy and making them show the how life is, so and improving the quality of life. So here this is an explanatory model which with the rest of the world and rest of the country you need to adapt. So here this is an example model to the world. So here the significance of the palliative care is present day how and how it is significant with your Kerala perspective. Let us understand that in a simple format. So here you are providing a holistic patient care. So palliative care, so it provides a comprehensive support addressing the physical, so you are addressing the person's physical emotions, psychological needs of the patients, not just giving medicine and leaving. You go to hospital, he will throw you tablets in your face and just run away. No, not like that. You are concentrating on the person's personal abilities. You are giving a physical support, emotional support and a psychological support. So as well as their families also you are taking care. So here it recognizes the patients and serious illness and require not only to the pain management. You are not just giving only a pain relief, you are giving emotional support, you are giving a spiritual support, which means a holistic patient care means the patient complete perspective to create him a better life is being generated here. So here you are improving the quality of life. So here it will be enhancing the overall quality of life, and the patient who is suffering from serious illness, which means they are suffering from a great pain, distress, symptoms. So here it helps an individual. So here you are concentrating on them, so you are making them to live the life with a dignity, independence, not depending on any other persons, and also functionalities and enabling the engaging activities, which means you are making them fun, you are showing the beauty in life, you are making them happy, you are making their dreams come true, like that. So here the quality of life is that. So quality of life is not earning money, it's living. That is what the beauty they taught it. So next here patient centered approach. So here you are concentrating on the based on the requirements of the patient. So here the patient at the center of care. So here you are not a money minded, so medicine is not a money minded. Here you are taking care of the patient. So here their goals, values, and what are all these preferences, what are all their hobbies, what are all these things they like it. So here we have a shared decision making, which means not a one person perspective. So patient, families, healthcare professionals, everybody sit together. You can see in the movies people who are going through a trauma or some other issues, they sit together and discuss, share their feeling, laugh, happy, get friends. that is the beauty of this patient centric approach. In that format they are creating things, and also here patients individual needs and wishes. So what are all your wishes, that is also fulfilled. And next, support for family. So here sometimes if you are suffering from a grave incidents or grave illness, serious illness, the patient family will be suffering. So here you need to support the family, emotional, psychological and practical support. If someone they don't have any economic feasibility, that too you will try to create an economic perspective for them, and you say we are there, don't worry guy, you will get well soon. That's what. So here, and also cope up with the challenges they faced, and also guiding them in difficult decisions. You need to decide. So because sometimes the patients gonna die, even that time you will console the families and make them strong, so that patients dies peacefully and happily. And next, this is a one of the cost effective care. So here cost effective approach means what? So here instead of even you are in a pain, you live a quality life and you will go to the end, which means even traveling to the deathbed you will go happily. That is what. So here you will be concentrating on a symptom management, reduce the needs of unnecessary hospitalization, invasive procedures, which means when they take care, so they will also provide a cost effective support, which means they stand as a moral support to your family and you. So if so it is not a grave injury, if so it is not a grave danger, what they do, they just support. Okay, nothing happens, this chill, so you can take this tablet and you can rest, no need to run to the hospital, no need to get tense. That moral support and this care will be provided. So here this is a Kerala's exemplary model. This model has been successful in Kerala. Even you can say in India, so 90, so here in India more than 908 palliative care units are there, 800 plus are present in Kerala only. Okay, worldwide also if you consider, in the worldwide the palliative care, the worldwide there is only around 16 percentage palliative care, but Kerala models is something superior, which means 60 percentage of Kerala is having this palliative care. Such a great example to the nation and also the world. So here international recognition, even Kerala has gained the international recognition in this palliative care, and also here they are successfully implemented this palliative care services, and also the state is supporting community, which means state based community participation, and also many other people are pioneer, which means coming forward to work for it. So here they are emphasizing on training, empowering local volunteers, and also they are developing this at a grassroots level, which means village level, from rural level, everywhere they are promoting, even in a remote areas they are providing this model. So finally what we understand, this palliative care plays a crucial role in the present day health scenarios, because giving medicine, pain relieving, more than that a moral emotional support is the people more. Even you can see the incidents of suicides, these are being in rise, so which means the people lack this moral support. That is what it is provided. So holistic support for the patients of serious illness and their families. The state of Kerala has demonstrated the significant community based palliative. So here it is proved that Kerala is a great thing. So here it is the world and India should inspire by this terms of approach, accessibility, and how it is impacting the patient's well-being. This is what. So guys, if you like this video, if you like this approach, kindly give a comment and give a like and subscribe to this channel, because with your support every day one news article I will provide you in a mains format, question and answer, so that will help you more and more for your examinations. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.